This might be the second coming of Achraf Hakimi, but this time, it's not a footballer. It's the most followed man on the internet, Khaby Lame, and what just happened in his divorce has the entire internet in chaos. Because imagine this, you build a fortune worth hundreds of millions, possibly even close to $1 billion, and when it's time to split it in court, you technically own nothing. Let's rewind. Before the fame, Khaby was just a factory worker, regular life, regular job. Then 2020 changed everything. He started posting simple videos, no talking, no flexing, just reacting to overly complicated life hacks. By doing the obvious solution and hitting us with that signature look, the world loved it, from 0 to over 160 million followers, becoming the most followed creator on social media. And with that fame came money, big money, brand deals, global recognition, a completely new life. He went from struggling to moving across countries, leveling up his lifestyle and becoming a global icon. Then came a power move nobody expected. Khaby reportedly sold his image and likeness for nearly $1 billion. At first, people thought, wait, did he just sell himself? But no, he basically sold an AI version of himself, a digital clone, meaning he could still create, still earn, and still be Khaby. Now here's where the story takes a turn. Back in 2020, Khaby was dating an influencer named Zaira Nucci. They were together for years, until they broke up around 2023. Then later that same year, November 2023, Khaby got married, quietly, private ceremony. Almost no one saw it coming. His wife, a model with roots in South Africa and Denmark, low profile, low drama, at least at first, because just 7 months later, the marriage was over, divorce, reportedly due to personality clashes and incompatibility. Fast forward to 2026, court proceedings begin. And that's when everything changed, because during the case, it was revealed that Khaby had done something unbelievable. He didn't register his wealth in his own name, not his house, not his cars, not his investments. Everything was under his father. So legally, Khaby owned nothing. Now think about that for a second. A man worth hundreds of millions, possibly touching $1 billion on paper, had zero assets. So when it came time to divide wealth, there was nothing to take from him. Instead, the focus shifted to his wife. Reports claimed she had around $10 million in her name, and suddenly, the situation flipped. Instead of Khaby losing half, he could actually gain from the divorce, and that's when the internet exploded. Some people called it genius, others called it calculated and cold, and some people said, this is exactly what happens when fame meets relationships. Because let's be honest, when someone meets you after you become successful, it raises questions. Are they here for you, or for the life that comes with you? And whether you agree with his move or not, one thing is clear, Khaby didn't just build wealth, he protected it. Now rumors are even saying that after the court decision, his wife may have reconsidered the divorce entirely. But that part? Still waiting on confirmation. And if you've been paying attention, this isn't the first time we've seen something like this happening. That's why people are calling it the Hakimi play all over again. So now I gotta ask you, was this a smart move, or did he go too far? Let me know in the comments.